Hi all, welcome back to T-Knock. In this video we are going to talk about car bomb, which is a type of car perfume. There are a lot of names for this: car freshener, car refreshener, AC system refreshener, car bomb, car freshness bomb, and whatnot, right? So all are the same. Basically these are just different marketing words for the same product, so don't get confused by that. Let's go with the name car bomb for now. And how to use it, we are definitely going to see a demo of this in the video, and I'll also give you my experience of how it is. It's of course good. That's why I'm even recommending this product on T-Knock. This is basically useful if your car is a smoker's car, if you smoke in your car, or if you drink in your car, have food in the car, or the car is smelling bad due to shoes or socks, or if the car has been used in the rainy weather and people have come in with wet shoes inside the car and the cabin smells murky. This thing will flush the entire system, or the entire air or AC system will get flushed, and it will leave your car smelling pleasant. Its car perfume may not be so as effective, but car perfume gives a prolonged smell. This thing flushes the entire system, and it's only a one-time use stuff. So let's get into the video and let's see how this is to be used on the Nexon.